Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, for today, our group will be present about basis of Malaysia income tax business. So, this is our group members. First one, we are going to definition of taxation. The taxation is a term for when a taxing authority, usually a government, levies or impose a tax. The term taxation applies to all types of involuntary levies, from income to capital gains to estate taxes. So, what's the objective of taxation? So, we have three objectives of taxation. First one, we want economic development. Second one, we might make sure that we have full employment in our country. And lastly, we want to make sure that we want to maintain price stability.
So now, I will continue to talk about the scope of charge. So let's go. The scope of charge, which is in the section 3 of the Income Tax Act 1967. It is income shall be charged for tax for each year of assessment upon the income of any person occurring in or derived from Malaysia or received in Malaysia from outside of Malaysia. The type of scope of charge, there are three types, which is derived and remittance basis, world income scope, and terrestrial basis.
Alright, next I will tell you about type of tax. There are two types of tax that are in these taxes. There is direct tax and indirect tax. For direct tax is a tax such as income tax, which is levied on the income or profit of the person who pay it rather than on goods or services. For example, for direct tax is corporate tax, petroleum income tax, and stamp duty. For indirect tax is a tax levied on good and service rather than on income or profit. For the example is sales and service tax, excise duty, and import and export duty.
Okay, so now we are going to the next subtopic, which is classes of income. Okay, classes of income, which is under section 4 Income Tax Act, divided into 6, which is the first one is gains or profit from a business, gains or profit from an employment, dividend, interest or discounts, rents, royalties or premium, pensions, annuities or other periodical payment, and last one is gains or profit not falling under any of other classes. So now we are going to special classes of income. Okay, amount paid in consideration of services rendered by the person or his employee in the connection with, divided into two, which is the first one is the use of property or right belonging to him, and the next one is the installation or operation of any plant, machinery or other apparatus purchased from him. Amount paid in consideration or any advice given or assistance or services rendered in connection with the management or administration of any scientific, industrial or commercial undertaking, venture, project or scheme. Rent or other payment made under any government agreement or arrangement for the use of any movable property.
Subtopic number 6, the timeline of the taxation period. There are three types: basis period, basis year, year assessment. The first one is basis period, the period used to identify the taxable income in any particular year of assessment. And the second one is basis year, the calendar year coinciding with a year assessment shall constitute with the basis year for that year assessment. The last one is year assessment, means a calendar year, the year where income tax is assessed, and assessment of income tax to be concurrent with the derivation of income.
So now, we are going to look at the 7th point, which is chargeable person. The chargeable person is from the section 2 of the Act defines person to include three things, which is first, a company, second, a corporation sole, and the third one, a body of person defined as an incorporated body of person but not being a company. So that is all from us. Thank you so much for viewing our video. Bye.